I love being on stage and performing for people. I no longer have to worry about what I'm doing or what I have to do tomorrow or the next day.
Just performing on the stage makes me feel a lot more comfortable. As soon as I get on stage, I feel like that's my home, that's my world. I can just bust out and do whatever and not feel judged or anything like that.
I actually found out about it the week before auditions. So I had a week to prepare for the audition, and I came and auditioned and got in, and I can't imagine life without PA now.
I'm in the performing arts program, and in acting we learn an awful lot. You can do a lot more than what you'd be able to learn in like regular school.
Where we get to learn stage combat, we get to do monologues. If we're in a show, we'll have rehearsals for a show.
You can take acting classes in some schools and dance classes, but you'll never really achieve what you can achieve here. It's not like sitting down in class and you're not always in a desk, pencil, paper, board. You actually can get up and mobilize and move and work in groups like every day, which makes my learning experience a lot better because I know I'm a visual person. I like to see it on other people and myself. So when I'm up on stage with my teacher and she's showing us, opposed to sitting down in math where you're writing down everything your teacher says and you have to sit there and study, it's almost like it becomes second nature being up there on stage because you just get it instantly.
I have made some of the best friends I've ever had here at PA. Before I came to PA, I was a fairly introverted person, but then I was able to talk to people. I was able to make friends a whole lot easier.
Almost sort of like a family where it's like you know them and they know you, and you always know you have somebody there you can count on, but at the same time they can help you because you have the same classes and you're with your friends at the same time.
Eastland really helps you to find who you are and what you want to do with your life, and it really gives you an idea of what the real world will be like once you graduate.
10 years from now, I would like to be probably touring in a show, or I could be teaching this. I'd love to teach this to other students. I always said I'd never be a teacher, but once I came to the program and be like, oh, I'd love to teach kids.
I really became the person I am today because of PA.